Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shina's World. So in this video today I'm going to do makeup for the first time. My mother allowed me to do the makeup for the first time. Every time I did makeup with the help of my mother. So today I'm going to do makeup for the first time, and today I have to make like pink look. So let's start, but firstly I have to put like sellotape. Yeah. So before guys making this video, I have like watched a lot of makeup tutorials on the YouTube, and yeah, now I'm ready to make. Okay, done. So I have like so much big palettes. So this palette, the mirror is broken. I'm going to use this palette, one more palette, and I have like so many brushes, so I'm going to use all the brushes. So I think let's start. Smaller brush. Guys, I'm like imagining that like this is like ASMR. So because I'm not speaking anything, I'm like doing the work. So, and guys, my just make sure my Bua is a makeup artist, and follow her page on Instagram, Glam Up by Simi. You can search, and guys please follow her, and guys please follow me too. My Instagram ID is Tania 4780. So guys please follow her also, my channel also. Okay, now the smaller brush, purple. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Purple shade I'm doing. Okay, I made a mistake. Okay, so is it fine? Okay, done. some shimmery. Okay, done. Now this one brush and so guys, I don't know how to do makeup, but my Bua makes videos on Instagram, so I watch her videos. I like her videos like so much, and I watch Kylie Jenner also, and her makeup is like so good. So I love James Charles also, and his makeup is also like so good. So I watch them and I like the video, so that is why I think I know some makeup. So okay, done my makeup with this eyes, and now it's turned for the white color. Is it looking nice? Yes. So I watched so many people doing this work, so I like this like too much. Okay. Right. Okay, done my makeup. So now I'm going to tap and remove the extra makeup. So done. Now it's time for, I don't know what is this, but my mom used it, so I'm also going to use this. Okay, I have to remove this also first, but I have to do this palette is like so hard to open. Yeah, this shade. Done. I have not put the brush inside. Done. Done. Now removing the tapes. Yeah. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's time for mascara. My favorite. And guys, I want to tell you the plus point in my face that I have big eyelashes, and I don't need that. Like you guys use one product to turn your eyelashes in upwards, and my eyelashes are in upward like only, and my eyelashes are like big also. My lips are also big, so that's like so plus point in my body, not in the body. My like my face, so I love my face so much. I'm like being very honest, and that I'm self-obsessed. Done. Is it looking good? I think yes. So guys, this is only the makeup of my eyes. So guys, please tell me in the comment section how's my makeup, and guys, don't judge a book by its cover, because I've done this makeup like for the first time, the purple shade. So like guys, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. And guys, when you press, there come 3 options. Personalize, just click that personalize, turn that personalize into the like all one section. And guys, it is because when I will post a new video, you will get the notification. And one thing also, that please change that gray like button, like gray thumb button, into blue thumb button. So please guys, like my videos and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. Till the time, bye bye.